이 신비로운 조직은 당신의 세포입니다. 그렇다면 이 세포가 특별한 이유는 무엇일까요? 우리 세포에 적절한 영양소를 공급하면 각각의 영양소와 단백질은 적응, 재생, 성장할 능력이 있는 복잡한 시스템과 구조로 진화합니다. 시간을 아끼지 않고 우리 몸에 투자하는 노력이 당신, 최고의 당신을 만들어드립니다. 유산화가 건강뿐만 아니라 세포 연구에 몰두하는 이유가 바로 여기에 있습니다. 지난 30년 이상 이러한 유산화의 집념은 올바른 영양소를 올바른 조합으로 제공하여 세포 건강을 최적화하는 제품 개발로 이어졌습니다. 그리고 특허받은 유산화 인셀리전스 테크놀로지와 같이 당신을 당신답게 가꾸는 데 필요한 맞춤 건강 혜택을 제공하는 새로운 테크놀로지 개발을 위해 유산화 연구팀은 모든 제품의 모든 제조 과정에서 엄격한 연구와 인증, 시험을 게을리하지 않고 있습니다. 이것은 모두 우리 세포에 최고만을 제공하겠다는 집념의 결과입니다. 이것이 바로 수천 명 프로 스포츠 선수와 올림픽 대표 선수들이 전 세계 그 어떤 다른 건강기능식품 브랜드보다 유산화를 신뢰하는 이유입니다. 유산화는 온 가족이 믿고 사용할 수 있는 안전한 성분만 사용하기 때문입니다. 또한 유산화는 세상에서 가장 건강한 가족을 만들고자 하는 비전을 실천합니다. 이것은 자기 자신은 물론 우리 이웃과 지구의 건강까지 챙기고 싶은 당신과 같은 사람들로 하나 된 가족입니다. 도움이 필요한 커뮤니티에는 나눔의 손길을 내밀며 세상을 보다 아름답게 만들기 위해 노력합니다. 그렇다면 당신의 세포가 정말 특별한 이유는 무엇일까요? 당신을 당신답게 만들어주는 토대입니다. 이제 당신만의 유산화 스토리를 시작해보세요. 유산화 과학의 집념을 체험해보세요.
It's 5:47 a.m. Sarah wakes up with her friend's voice in her head. I know that other supplements are cheaper, but they cut costs on quality. With USANA, I know what's on the label is exactly what's in the bottle. She's decided it's time to make a change, to get healthy with USANA. Even before her first cup of coffee, she signs up as a USANA associate and places her first product order, initiating a journey grounded in precision and care. At 7:23 a.m., in USANA's 340,000 square foot facility, a shipment arrives carrying 476 kilograms of resveratrol. It's joined by over 30 ingredients destined for a tablet 7.16 millimeters thick and weighing 1.049 grams. But before we get to that, let's go back to the very beginning. Months earlier, USANA's team of over 150 scientists rigorously tested this formula to meet the highest in quality standards. By dedicating countless hours, they developed patented intelligence technology and verified purity, potency, and consistency. Through global partnerships, each formula undergoes rigorous trials, efficacy tests, and stability checks. Following the vision of USANA's founder, Dr. Myron Wentz, the company has spent over 30 years advancing nutritional science. Featured in vital resources like the prescriber's digital reference, USANA's commitment to quality goes beyond industry standards. As Dr. Wentz said, I learned many years ago that great science could be destroyed by poor manufacturing. I've always demanded that our facilities, then and now, meet standards much higher than food and supplement companies are required to meet. It's now 8:15 a.m. and each raw material is catalogued and quarantined undergoing meticulous tests, including screenings for heavy metals and microbial contamination. Meanwhile, Sarah eases into her yoga practice, unaware of the rigorous testing done to ensure every tablet in her upcoming order is not only safe, but are of the highest quality. Precisely at 9:14 a.m., a USANA technician uses near-infrared spectroscopy, along with other advanced tests, to inspect a sample of resveratrol, with any deviation resulting in immediate rejection. Ingredients are measured to 0.001 grams in controlled environments with air filtration, airlocks, and fresh filters per batch to ensure contaminant-free conditions that exceed hospital standards. As an FDA-registered drug facility, USANA sets itself apart from many nutritional companies, guaranteeing the highest safety and quality. Just past 2:12 p.m., each ingredient is dispensed into containers and cross-checked by computerized systems. The V-blender allows uniformity across nearly 2 million tablets per run. While the blender runs, Sarah calls her friend to chat about her future business. At that very moment, the precision that sold her on USANA is in process on the manufacturing line. At 3:14 p.m., tablet presses produce 400,000 tablets per hour, each continuously monitored for integrity and consistency. Any tablet that fails is immediately rejected. At 4:01 p.m., a natural vegetable coating is applied to each tablet, making them easier to swallow and protecting their contents. They then undergo additional testing for potency and uniformity before moving on to packaging. Just before 5:23 p.m., the tablets reach the bottling line. Each Vita antioxidant bottle is filled with exactly 112 tablets. A variety of USANA products are verified to meet the highest industry standards, including USP, GMP, and Consumer Lab certifications. Additionally, USANA's Athlete Guarantee offers up to $1 million in compensation if a professional athlete tests positive for banned substances due to product use. While in the car, Sarah queues up her favorite playlist. She hums along while each bottle is carefully sealed and labeled. Shortly after, at 5:45 p.m., spot tests confirm consistency. Each bottle follows a designated route where technicians and sensors detect and address any issues before they arise. USANA ensures its facilities worldwide uphold the same rigorous standards, delivering consistent product excellence. By 8:28 a.m. the next morning, 275,000 bottles are prepped for shipment. Orders are scanned for accuracy, achieving a 99.99% fulfillment rate. One box bound for Irvine, California, will travel 642 miles and is expected to arrive approximately 72 hours later. When Sarah receives her USANA package, she knows each foundational product is the culmination of the expertise of over 150 scientists, rigorous certifications, and more than 900 meticulous tests, ensuring she receives only the best supplements. Behind this tiny tablet lies the precision, science, and dedication of USANA. Unlike other supplement companies, what's on the label is exactly what's in the bottle. This empowers Sarah with the confidence to provide industry-leading products for her family and future customers. Science-backed supplements you can trust. Start your journey with USANA today.
You know, I've often been asked why we have an R&D group, why such a large R&D group, and why do we spend so much money on research and development. I think the difference between not having an R&D team and making that commitment is the difference between hoping that you have good products and knowing that you really do.
The real strength that USANA has, I think, is in the people. Our R&D group is amazing. We have a good variety of PhDs on staff. We have an MD on staff, and we all work together really well. The products, I think, reflect that. We have the best products on the market. I can say that with all confidence.
What is really exciting about USANA is that it's really combined its two things together. Number one is molecular science, the cutting-edge science, and number two is the traditional holistic approach of nutrition.
As a practitioner and a clinician, the fundamental question for why you choose a particular product line, to me, is the fundamental aspect is quality. And that was really driven home to me when I came to visit USANA. The attention to quality is, from what I've seen, unparalleled in the industry.
Having quality control, quality assurance, and R&D all in the same building helps us in that we can check product lines at various different stages of development. So we can bring in the raw materials and evaluate the product at that stage. Then once the supplement is created, manufactured into the pill, we can evaluate product quality at that stage as well. So there are multiple checkpoints that we have in place here at USANA that ensure that the product is of the highest quality that we can potentially make.
When I first met Dr. Wentz, that was a particularly interesting conversation, and it really hit me how much he cared as a scientist, how much he cared as a humanitarian, and that conversation really sold me on USANA.
R&D team has a mission, and that mission is to really make Dr. Wentz's dream turn into a reality. And Dr. Wentz has a very lofty dream, a world free from pain and suffering. Without an R&D team, that dream would remain a dream.
People all over the world who have taken our products know their benefits. USANA has always been at the forefront of the health sciences. And thanks to our ongoing research and development, we will continue to be. There are unique and unprecedented opportunities before us. I am so hopeful and excited as I look toward the future and the impact of USANA's products on individuals, families, and the whole world.
Your body is comprised of billions of diverse cells, whose jobs vary from creating your vital organs to producing the energy you need to keep moving throughout the day. They do this by sending information through vast communication networks, known as cell signaling pathways. Everything you eat contains nutrients that act as molecular messengers, transferring instructions along these pathways to your cells. By isolating key nutrients, you can tap into your body's natural ability to send and receive information and create a specific response within your cells. This is the power of USANA Intelligence technology. Using scientifically developed blends of nutrients and plant extracts that target these distinct pathways to boost the signals that activate important health benefits, like improved mental clarity, a more robust immune response, and better defense against oxidative stress. This groundbreaking technology delivers exactly what your body needs to activate its natural adaptive abilities, redefining what it means to live a happy, healthy life. Start today by customizing your health routine with targeted nutrition featuring Intelligence technology. Only from USANA.
So everything that we do starts with the cell. The cell is the basic of all living organisms. It's a very fragile structure, but it's also very manipulable.
The cells are very intelligent. They can sense. So there are many receptors in the wall of the cells. The communication is both outgoing and incoming.
Any signal that we give to our cell or that they send to each other can have huge impacts on our overall well-being.
We are always trying to upgrade our products. The Essentials is one that constantly receives upgrades. We went through every single ingredient on the label, and is this enough? Is there another ingredient that we can put in that will help with bioavailability or help this ingredient do what it does?
We research to find out what is the optimum doses for each of the ingredients. And it's a lot of work to nail down a specific dose. You have to do the cell study and clinical study.
We were looking at these herbal ingredients that were known to activate antioxidant systems. And so instead of just giving the traditional antioxidants, vitamin C, vitamin E, we have this herbal complex that was working through your internal mechanisms to fire up antioxidant processes. We call this activation process Intelligence technology.
There are millions of different cell signaling pathways in our bodies, and all of them are sending signals up and down and through your body. It can be difficult to have a signal be heard through that noise. And so with the Intelligence blend in Cell Essentials, our goal was to help that specific NRF2 signaling pathway be heard above the noise.
Cell Essentials is an evolution of USANA's nutritional technology. So it's got the benefits of both the vitamin mineral technology, the very best, the antioxidant technology, which we perfected over the last 30 years, plus new cell signaling technology that we've developed over the last decade. And Intelligence technology is still in its infancy, but we've still got many decades left of development. There's so many permutations, so many options that we can do with improving human health. It's a major step towards our greater goal of empowering everyone to proactively take control of their health.